Hi, I'm Bruce and this is Stephanie. And in addition to being industrial design professors here in Chicago, we also run a small product design studio called Materials. We design furniture, furnishings, and accessories for other companies, but we also create some of our own products.
We are coming to you with a project that has a long and meaningful history dating back to 2005 when we first started working together. Cubby was one of our first projects. It's an innovative wall-mounted coat hook and storage unit.
Despite having won Interior Design Magazine's prestigious Best of Year award in 2006 and other national and regional design awards, it's still not available for sale.
At different times, we even had contracts with 2 companies to bring it to market, but both ended up being too risk-averse to follow through. And this is where the Kickstarter community fits in. You can step forward and be part of this new world commercial order and help bypass the conventional corporate system that easily gets bogged down in politics and indecision.
And we know that the world wants Cubby. Each week we get requests from people all over the globe.
So with your help, a community of passionate individuals can do what the big risk-averse companies won't. That's bring Cubby to market.
Take a look. We hope you'll support us.
Thanks.
Cubby is a simple wall-mounted coat and bag hook that allows you to also keep items handy like sunglasses, cell phones, wallets, and gloves. No more wasted time spent rushing around hunting for those misplaced keys. It was designed with small urban entryways in mind, but is great for larger homes too, as well as in mudrooms, garages, and pool houses. Its large hook diameter is also more collar-friendly and won't leave bumps and marks on jackets and sweaters. It's also hefty enough for purses and laptop bags. And Cubby is great for kids and their parents, helping to keep track of hats and mittens that always seem to go missing. And kids love having their very own space. Multiple Cubbies can be mounted at different heights on the wall, each family member with their own. Cubby is also easy to install with a single screw, and a wall anchor is included if you're mounting to drywall. The screw head is white so that it's less visible, but a felt screw cover is also included if you do not wish to see it at all. Cubby is a single piece of injection molded white polypropylene. It is strong and light with a durable matte surface finish, and it will be fully made in the USA. We've sourced local manufacturers for the tooling and the molding, and it is American right down to the screw, plastic wall anchor, and felt screw cover that comes with it. Kickstarter is an amazing tool for designers and entrepreneurs. We believe that it also has the power to help in the rejuvenation of local American manufacturing, and we want to be a part of it. We're asking for your support to help pay for the steel molds, to continue with the patents and intellectual property protection, and to pay for the initial minimum order specified by the manufacturer. With your pledge, you can receive any number of rewards and can be the first to get Cubby. It's only with your support that we can bring this great product to market. Thank you.